Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press the down volume button we can activate camera application, and for example to take a snapshot by this way. To change these features, so we should first launch the settings and then scroll down to the accessibility features, then click here the shortcuts and gestures and tap to ultra snapshot. After that switch open camera to take a snapshot, and now let's lock the device, and by double press the power key button we can take successfully the snapshots here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.